Hi everyone, it's Eru here. This is a very quick video because this area I've just covered, other people have already covered it, but I have gone from my perspective, my angle, my experience, and the experience of other associates that I have. Now it's titled The 8 Income Streams That Will Work for You. And these are income streams that work for anyone who is willing to put in the work and apply themselves, put in the effort, learn and be committed. So while we're in lockdown, while we're at home, while we're looking for ways to make money, supplement our income and our earnings, do check out 8 income streams that will work for you. I've reviewed all of them. I've gone through all of them, and this is something that I'm doing that you can do right now at home. I've written a blog post on it, so that's why I'm not going to go into details, because others have gone into details, so you can look at mine in conjunction with theirs and just enjoy the full benefits of what you can do right now. I've actually put links in mine on my website. When you follow the link to read the full post, after you've got the valuable information, you've got links that can get you started right now, today, on starting to make income. Now, as I said before, anyone can do this. It's available to everyone who is willing to apply themselves. The question is, are you willing to apply yourself while you're at home in lockdown? I hope to hear from you. I'm looking forward to reading your comments, reading about your success and how things are going with you. Thank you so much for listening. Take care. Bye.